Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make shrimp oreganata. This classic Italian-American dish is surprisingly simple and incredibly flavorful. To begin, ensure you have about 1.5 pounds of large, peeled, and deveined shrimp. You'll also need panko breadcrumbs, fresh parsley, dried oregano, and Parmesan cheese for the topping. Don't forget fresh garlic, lemon, dry white wine, and a touch of butter to complete this delicious meal. Now, let's get our main ingredients ready. First, butterfly your shrimp by carefully slicing down the back, but not entirely through, then pat them thoroughly dry. This helps the topping stick perfectly. For the flavorful breadcrumb mixture, combine about 1/2 cup of panko breadcrumbs with 1/4 cup of fresh chopped parsley, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, and 2 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese. Stir in 2 cloves of grated garlic, the zest of half a lemon, and a tablespoon of olive oil. With your shrimp and topping prepared, it's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange the butterflied shrimp in a single layer within a baking dish. Now, generously spoon the flavorful breadcrumb mixture over each shrimp, ensuring good coverage. Pour about 1/4 cup of dry white wine and the juice of half a lemon around the shrimp. Finally, dot the dish with 2 tablespoons of cubed butter for richness, then bake. Your shrimp oreganata is almost ready. Bake the dish for 10 to 12 minutes or until the shrimp turn opaque and pink. For an extra crispy, golden brown topping, broil it for 1 to 2 minutes, watching carefully to prevent burning. Once out of the oven, sprinkle with additional fresh chopped parsley. Serve this delightful dish immediately with lemon wedges on the side, allowing everyone to add a squeeze of bright, fresh citrus.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.